Just because I'm an idiot, I haven't bought the red sycthe yet, so it's gonna be like that. But I don't know why I haven't. That's actually it's kind of cool. Just look at that. It's got like a trail of fire. Even I see a lot of people with the scythe. Yeah, it looks cooler, but the rubber one's actually better than it. So it's in the air. I'm also gonna do it. I just want to test this out. But jeez, this thing's so quick. Yeah, it's not that good as a collector though. Anyway, also just did some off-camera grinding, and I'm not really grinding. I just want to finish stupid brown bear quests because I don't even want to finish them. And I'm gonna be killing King Beetle. So yeah, let's go do King Bomb first. I need to find where my bees come. Stuck in a flower. Die. I'm pretty sure the faster you kill it, the better the chances of getting an amulet. I mean, like my yesterday King Beetle, I killed it like in like a jiffy, and then like I got an amulet, but I kept the old one because. See, nope, no amulet. What did I get? Ooh, 100 traits. This is gonna help. 100 traits, 10 diamond drops, 3 raw jellies, 1 blue extract, 1 million honey, 10 moon charm, 5 tickets, and 17,000 bond. Now let's go turn in the stupid brown bear quest. Okay. Brown bear is like, he used to be so easy. Now just like increase. Oh, 19 more. Is that what you give me? 1 million honey. That's obviously strawberry and spot thing, but yeah, it's gonna be easy. I also have the weird scythe. I'm still complaining about this family final. I need to feed my ninja bee. I'm thinking of oh wow, damn, I'm gonna need that. Okay. Stuff. I got 101 treats. And I got 101 Dalmatians. No, just kidding. I don't. This thing's actually getting pretty close to level 10. And if I actually got a vicious bee, I would have put it right there. It's gonna get level 10. It's good to get a vicious bee on level 10. Because then, yeah, it gets more attack. I'm pretty sure it's like that's the best attacker in the game. Attack bee in the game. And I also am grinding for the honeycomb belt, which is exciting. Now, many more quests I need to finish. Strawberry. I'm so close to finishing this. I need your suggestion, people. I'm 1 hive slot away from 35 zone and AC spread. But I've seen the reward of this quest, and it's 250 mil. I was thinking of buying the porcelain, but I'm like, no, I shouldn't, because I need to get the thing, 35 zone, like knock spirit bear and stuff, in the wind shrine, because that's cool. And then I said, I don't know, so I just need your opinion, peeps. Tell me in the comments. Whether you would like me to buy it or buy another hive slot, because this thing gives you 250 million, and should I buy the porcelain porter hive or the hive slot? I feel like I should buy the hive slot because then it's easier to get honey. I mean pollen, and then convert a little bit there. But then I am going to actually be grinding for the honeycomb belt, which is actually I'm not really gonna need the porcelain porter hive for a very long time. When I have the honeycomb belt, all I need is 75 million honey to easy it, and I need to grind my glues, which is disappointing. So yeah, I've done the enzymes part, done the oil part. I wish it was just like 25 glue, 50 enzymes, and 25 oil. It should mean like that. And then just... whatever, I'm sad because I just the enzymes are pretty hard to get. I wish these two were swapped around. 39 oil. But the glues, I can hardly get any glues. It gets 25% capacity. That's actually pretty cool. Buzz bomb pollen. One color's beetle. It's actually good. What the? Yeah, this is probably the best like mid-tier mask. That's why it costs more. Like 5 gold eggs, 10,000 treats. If you want to buy 10,000 treats, and you actually gotta... What even is this? So yeah, I'm gonna be testing out the scythe for a bit. We tested it out in Rosefield because why not? And I need to equip it. I don't think the scythe's actually that good. Bubble One's better with collecting blue pollen. Scythe's better with collecting red pollen, obviously. But this thing, probably the best thing about it is it's quick. It's just like constant. It's like look at that. Oh. Yeah, but as you can see, it's not a very good collector. So, yeah. Now I'm going to be doing the bubble one, because why not? The bubble one's slow, but it collects more. Actually collects in a ring. This new thing only collects in a line. Oh wow. Yeah. I'm going to equip the bubble ones. Even though the red stuff looks cooler, you should buy the bubble one. I recommend it to you. Now I'm going to go on pine tree for this one. Actually, I should do a video like bubble one versus red side versus golden rake versus porcelain dipper. I'm going to get spark stuff versus spark stuff. Just recommend don't buy the spark stuff because it's really bad. It's like 3 scissors. You know how you can get scissors in the Tenzone shop? I bought them. I'm like, what does this do? I bought them and it was a waste, so don't buy them. So, like, this is kind of annoying when you want to get something certain. But, so yeah, this is obviously a better collector in the blue field. It's very slow, but in 3 seconds you can already, yeah. It's gonna reach 3K seconds, so thank you, V Zachary. But yeah, so bubble one's better. Take a look at that. It's almost 500K. I mean 5K second, and yeah. So oh wow, yeah. It's because I have Inspire. Just so yeah, that wraps it up. Enjoy. Oh yeah, and Happy New Year. Forgot to mention that. I'm not gonna lie, the bubble one looks pretty cool, but the scythe looks better. But yeah. Just to end off with this video, I'm gonna do that rare sprout. And get my going. Don't ask why, I just dramatically paused there. Okay, there we go. The only thing that the actual Sparksoft's worth is probably, I've seen it in action in the Ant Challenge. It's really good in the Ant Challenge. And yeah, I wish like instead of just collecting like all pollen from 3 patches, it should be like every maybe 10 scoops, something like a giant lightning bolt that collects massive pollen. Like a giant lightning bolt, but just collects like, oh, thank you, flower, for coming alive. Give me some flowers, thank you. And I was saying, it should have like an ability, like it's 60 million honey. Like, it's not worth it. So, yeah. Or it's good in the Ant Challenge. I've seen some good in them. Like, imagine, like, getting the spark stuff every, like, 10th scoop. And it just sounded like a massive lightning bolt that collects, like, all pollen from, like, 20 patches. That'd be an OP. Maybe even better than the porcelain dipper. Just end it off with this epic sprout. all these other YouTubers probably end up with a supreme sprout, but I'm unlucky enough to get one. So. Come on, come on, come on. Just. The longer the video is, the longer it takes to upload, so just... Come on. Oh, did you know when a honey storm summoned this little honey storm? I'll show you. After I do this rare sprout. And I know, I said that I end up with a rare sprout, but I'm just gonna show you this. Just die. And someone comes in. Yeah. See, that's what I hate about... Oh, wow. Oh, I thought it was ready. Now it's ready. Yeah, and he hardly did any... Beam. That's from a rare sprout? Wow. I want blue boost tokens. Let's do a bucket of quest. But I really need your opinion. Should I get the porcelain porter hive? Even though I'm close to getting the honeycomb belt, which gives you like a lot of capacity. Should I get the porcelain porter hive? Or should I get a hive slot? I feel like I should get a hive slot, but... Okay, no. It's really... I'm sorry about this. Oh, yeah, I actually got something decent. Oh, I got 1 million. Now, to end it off with a honey storm. You're listening closely. Turn up your hearing ears. Did you hear that? It went like, honey storm. Now the only reason I'm saying honey storm, because of tickets. But yeah, anyway, see you in the next Stick Bug Challenge, doing a video on that.